The Silentsystem TX-500 transmitter is a device that offers high performance with a range that extends up to 500 meters, perfectly calibrated for larger spaces. It stands out for its high sound quality and ease of use, making it a versatile and practical device. On the back, you'll find RCA inputs for audio, a power selector, low-high, and the power connection. The front features an input for the light control pad, a display that indicates the transmission channel in use, and a button for easily changing it.